We're going to multiply fractions. We're going to find the product 22 over 15 times 5 over 33. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. So in the numerator, I'd have the product 22 times 5. And in the denominator, I'm going to multiply 15 and 33. And now we look to see if we can simplify this product. I'm going to factor 22. I'm writing it as 2 times 11, and then we also have the factor of 5 in the numerator. In the denominator, I can factor 15 as 3 times 5, and I can factor 33 as 3 times 11. And now let's look and see what we have common to the numerator and the denominator. I see a factor of 11 in each place, and I see a factor of 5 in each place. So I can write this as 11 times 5 over 11 times 5. What remains in the numerator is a factor of 2. And in the denominator, after I remove the 11 and the 5, I have 3 times 3. Now, 11 times 5 over 11 times 5 is equal to 1. Let's just write 1. And I'm multiplying this by 2 over 3 times 3. So what I have is 2 over 3 times 3. And multiplying in the denominator, I have 2 over 9 for the product of these two fractions.